Okay, today I want to talk about something that I thought it was really interesting. So lots of customers are doing refreshes, right? Comp season is over, whatever year-end process you were doing is over. So you're doing refresh. Well, something that I thought it was interesting, lots of people have enabled people's stories in their lower environments, but they don't have it enabled in production yet. Okay, for whatever reason, right? And so what happened is that if you copy production over to, let's say, development, and you don't have and you have people's stories enabled, right? But estoy live. Bye. You don't have people's stories enabled because you're copying from production. It's a rather weird behavior because obviously because people's stories were not in dev, once you copy it, stories are not going to show up there as expected. But here's what's interesting: once you go to Upgrade Center to try to enable it, it's not going to be available anymore. Okay, so it's a strange behavior, but this is how you can get around with it. And you do need provisioning access to do this. Let me share my screen here. And I have a share screen because I don't want to protect my clients here, right? But just for demonstration purpose, you're going to go to provisioning, and then you're going to look for the option configuration for stories in People Analytics. All right. And here you can, by the way, do a couple of refresh too, which certainly improves the performance. But you'll notice here that the option for Upgrade Now is disabled, right? Because originally you had enabled it through Upgrade Center, but it's not available anymore, and you don't have it anymore because you already refreshed it from production. So in order to enable this, and this is a trick, this is super valuable because you can use this across many areas in SuccessFactors that you're technically not supposed to, but still can get away with it. You're gonna go ahead and I'm using Chrome here, all right? You're gonna right click on it, inspect. You're gonna look for the attribute disable, right? Double click on it, remove it. So essentially you're tricking here the user interface to not make it disabled, but then if you still click on it, it will let you enable it. Okay, I'm not gonna do this because I've already done it. But if I were to, so now I enable the button, and if I click on it, it's just like if I was enabled in Upgrade Center. So, so anyways, the takeaway there is that if you do a refresh over to dev or any lower environment and you cannot enable, or you had already enabled people stories, but you didn't have it from the source instance, it's not going to carry over, but the option is not going to be available in Upgrade Center. So you can do a workaround through what I just showed you, and it will take literally just a couple of seconds. So anyways, have a great weekend. It's March 18. I'll see you next time.